Want to create this effect? But before starting, do subscribe to my channel as I just started making videos. It would motivate me to upload more videos. Let's start creating the effect. Create your text layer. And add S_raise effect. Now first copy these settings. Now make sure you are at the beginning of your clip, and click this stopwatch icon. Then bring this circle to the left of the text. Then go to the end of the clip. And change the X value and move the circle to the right. Now select your layer and hit U to show up the keyframes. Then select both keyframes and hit F9. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more awesome tutorials.